Soulcore is a new movement that actually combines the prayers of the rosary with physical movement, specifically full body strengthening movements with a focus on core strengthening. It's about strengthening our spiritual side, our soul, and then also our physical side, our body.
Soulcore combines the two, and then you're praying with your entire being. So there's not an ounce of you that is not incorporated into the prayer.
It's a phenomenal workout. It's different than anything I've experienced before.
During the workout, you will pray the whole rosary with a specific focus on meditating more deeply on the mysteries of the rosary, and in particular the virtues of each mystery, or the fruit that we pull from the example that Jesus gave us in his life and even in the Blessed Mother's life.
It's really opened my eyes to the real meaning of the rosary. I never realized the gifts that come from focusing on the virtues.
I feel stronger physically because I'm focusing internally.
So when we pray the sorrowful mysteries, the exercises tend to be a tad more challenging. Never to the point of pain, but uncomfortable, because it connects us to Christ's suffering.
You come, you're heavy, and then as soon as it's over, the best part is you feel so lifted up.
Jesus shows us how to suffer in love, and how to suffer well. He gives us this beautiful example to follow. And the more we pray, our hearts and our minds are transformed into the likeness of the heart and the mind of Jesus.
In all of our trials, there's graces just waiting to be unfolded in those trials.
Come in with an open heart to discover the beauty of the rosary.
It transforms you, body, mind, and spirit.
You absolutely cannot meditate on these virtues and not be transformed. You just can't.